Oh la la, Gateau Au Chocolat. This is one of my favorite desserts, and it's so easy, even the kids can do it. And in fact, they love to. Let's show you how it's done. First, we're going to take water and put our butter in it and melt it. And then we're going to melt our chocolate in. Now you notice we're not using a bain-marie, and the reason is because we stand there and stir it the entire time. After it begins to melt, turn your heat off, and you should get a nice creamy chocolate sauce. Then get your pan ready by putting a little oil in, and then flour. Separate your eggs, and we like to separate them into a cup first so that we make sure we don't get any egg yolk in them. When that's done, whip your egg whites, and we're going to whip those until they're still moist. Don't let them dry out. Get your other mixture ready with your eggs and your sugar and your flour and little touch of vanilla. Mix that in real good and make a nice smooth paste of it. Then we're going to add our chocolate into there and mix that in real good. Now we're going to add in our egg whites. And remember, nice and moist. We'll fold those in kind of gently, but we're going to put it in fast forward because it takes a little while to do. When that's done, and you don't have any streaks, then put it into your springform pan. Pop your pan into the oven, about 375 for about 15 minutes or less. Depending on your oven, you want to pull it out when it's still nice and jiggly. Okay? And here's the secret to the dish. It's nice and jiggly there. We're going to take a plate. I'm going to put that on top and steam it for about 12 minutes. When your 12 minutes are done, you still should have a little jiggle to the cake. That'll be nice and moist. Cover it, refrigerate it, and now let's show you how to serve it. We like to take our chocolate sauce, put a little cocoa powder on top of the gâteau, and a little powdered sugar. Decorate the plate with fruit, and there you have it, Gateau au Chocolat. Enjoy! Remember, chocolate in the right amounts is good for you.